Thank you for turning back here again. So if you're new, my name is Sami. So today I want to do another video of food. I've been trying so many different places, so I thought it would be really great to put a video together again for you guys to take a look. If you're visiting Dallas, check those places out. So yeah, if you guys are interested, keep watching.
Let's get started with Hiccups Tea House located in Frisco, Texas.
Let's take a look outside where we have the special lunch here. Special lunch. And we have pho, that's a Vietnamese. And then we have this, what's that, churros? Churros ice cream. Mexican dessert. So we're gonna go in there.
Hiccups was founded in Long Beach, California in 2013, and it serves Asian fusion cuisine such as different flavored chicken wings, pad thai, kimchi fried rice, garlic noodles, and Vietnamese pho. They also have a wide range of specialty drinks including flavored coffees, smoothies, slushies, milk tea, and many more. The sharp mulled mango drinks is a must-try on their menu.
So we're gonna try this one here. This is the cameo mango, which is one of their slushy with fresh mango on top. It's so cool, like yeah. So it has like pepper in there, so it has like a kick of spicy on this mango. Slushy, really interesting, awesome. Wow, you guys should try this. This is really cool. The taste is awesome. It just like tastes mango. You taste sweet, little sour, really cold, and spicy, all at the same time. So yeah.
Of course, Hiccup Tea House wanted their customer to have one-stop dining convenience. Therefore, they created their sub-brand called Churroholic, which is offers Spanish-inspired desserts such as the specialty churros.
Let's try this. Thank you. Thank you. Ice cream is so good. Vanilla ice cream. I must eat this guy. Really crispy. So crispy. It has the chocolate and almond topping on it. Really, really good. So it's like that. But with a bite. Yeah, really good.
This Instagram-friendly restaurant is a fun place for friends and family to spend time together, enjoy good food, and sure you will receive great customer service.
We arrived to LA Burger, and this place is a Korean fusion burger. So let's check it out. Let's see. Let's go in there and take a look. What can we eat?
If you're looking to have Korean fusion in American classic burger, then you must check out this place, LA Burger in Richardson, Texas. LA Burger was founded by Ben and John Lee, and their first store was opened in Erling, Texas. I will link their website down below for you to check out their other locations. What makes them different? Well, Ben and John got inspired by the burgeoning Korean-Mexican fusion truck scenes in their native Los Angeles. So they created LA Burger, which infused Korean cuisine such as the kimchi, bulgogi, and daejjukgi into American burgers, make them really unique and special.
They run special for every day of the week is different special. So Monday, Tuesday is different things. Their most famous dishes are the K-Town burger, which is right on top right there, K-Town burger. So I'm gonna try the K-Town burger and see what they look like. Alright, so this one is K-Town, which is they have the kimchi on the burger. K-Town looks so cool. And then this one we have here is, what is this? California Sunshine? And we have the K-style French fries. Yummy. And this one is the rice bowl. It has the goboki, which is the beef, and the kimchi. Yummy.
The K-style fries and the K-Town burgers are must-try on their menu. This place will change the way you taste burger, so come and discover American favorite foods with soul.
Today I arrived to Secret Recipe. This is a Malaysian/Singaporean restaurant. So I want to bring you guys again to check this place out and see what they have.
Secret Recipe is located in Plano, and they have another location in Carrollton, Texas. I will link their website down below for you to check out their menu and promotions.
So over here there is empty bowls and plates that you have to get your own bowls and plates and napkins and fork and utensil. And this is what it looks like. And here you actually have to order and pay first, and then they will deliver the food to you on their table. But it's a restaurant, so it is not necessary, not mandatory for tips, but it would be nice with tips.
I like the fact they put a lot of photos of their dishes on the menu, makes it really easy to understand and order. This restaurant offers a lot of local Malaysian and Singaporean dishes that are similar to what I have tried when I was traveling in Southeast Asia. In my opinion, the Hainanese steamed chicken rice or Hoi Lam Gai Fan and water spinach with sambal or kangkong are must try on their menu. That was the 3 Asian fusion restaurants that I recommended you should try if you're in Dallas. In my own opinion, they are unique and native in their own way. Also, they are great spots for you to snap some Instagram photos and share them on your social media with friends and family. And don't forget to show some love by liking this video and consider to subscribe to my channel if my contents are interest to you. Let's explore new food together. Until then, see you in my next video and thank you as always for watching. Bye bye!